Good morning. We're back here at Disneyland again. we had plans for extra magic hours which fell through because we were so tired, and we realised that we're going to see the fireworks tonight as well.
Well, it's a long day.
So it's going to be a long day anyway. So we thought we'd have a bit of a lie-in. It's now what, 11ish?
Half 11?
About 11:30. So we're going to go over to our entrance, I'm guessing, over here. Well, it doesn't really matter.
Doesn't really matter.
But we're going to go for Crush this morning.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Well, we'll probably just keep her anyway, won't we? And then after that, we'll let you know what we're going to do for the rest of the day. I always find this entrance kind of squishy. It's a bit difficult to get through. Yeah, this whole park is kind of squishy. I do like the entrance. It's just a little bit, I don't know, cramped. It's like an hourglass kind of shape, so it's really open from the beginning, and then it goes into this really tight corridor, and then opens up again. It just seems a bit kind of strange to me to force everybody down like one tight corridor, but at least it looks pretty. So, like I said, we're heading over to Crush now. Have a quick ride on that, and then after that we'll probably go on to the tram tour, and that's pretty much Studios done for us for this holiday. So after that we're going to pop down into the Disneyland Park, get a lot of Fantasyland done, aren't we? So things like, Pinocchio. We've done Snow White, but we can always do it again, so no issues with that. And then what's the other ones they've got? Pinocchio, Peter Pan, It's a Small World, yeah. So we'll get all of those done. But yeah, first of all it's Crush's Coaster. That's interesting. We can see some of the construction here going on at the flying carpets over Agrabah. Amber's playing Disney Heroes. I'm trying to slide along. What are you doing? Amber is not happy, however, because this is a 65-minute queue line, and it extends all the way down there. The fan's broken.
Why like a holiday fan?
You're gonna have to get a new one.
I'm scared it's gonna like fling off.
Well, it did just do that when I tried to fix it. What are you doing? Cooling down your phone?
No, because it works backwards.
So they have these signs for the game, but Amber's just found out that the game doesn't work anymore, does it? You can't download it, can you?
So I'm going to try and use a different Wi-Fi.
It might work, but maybe not.
I want to get the high score.
Well, we just got off of Crush. Amber's not happy because there was a breakdown while we were in the queue line. So what was meant to be about a 65-minute queue ended up being a 90-minute queue, didn't it? I do really like that coaster. I think it's great. It's really smooth for Arizona.
Yeah.
Like, it's a really good spinning coaster. It's definitely my favourite spinning coaster out there. The theming in the first section's really good. Yeah, the first drop's good. And then the rest of it's quite fun. But yeah. Good coaster, not worth 90 minutes though. Well, now that we've done Crush, we're going to head over to the Tower of Terror Fast Pass booth, see if we can get some Fast Passes for that. And then I reckon that we're going to go on Studio Tram Tour, because I like that ride. It's fun. And we haven't actually done it in a while, have we? So it'd be nice to get on that and see some of the scenes and stuff. I quite like the one at the end. There's meant to be like a dragon in it, isn't there? In like a tunnel. I don't know, but it's quite fun anyway. So yeah, we'll see you on the ride. You got your Fast Pass, Abby? Oh look, between 2 and 2.50 was that? 30. 30? Oh, I misread it then. Between 2 and 2:30. So we'll go on Studio Tram Tour. As usual, is back to Pokemon Go. Have you got any gyms yet today?
No, we haven't stood in any queues of any gym. What's the precious supposed to have a gym?
So weird seeing RC Racer from here. I don't like it.
Are we gonna get any waves? Are we gonna get any waves? Here we go. Are we getting any waves? No? 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 Oh.
I'm gonna get in a truck like that. It's gonna be like the instantly inverted headquarters.
Oh look, such a liberty, he's got sunglasses on.
The physical effects
She looks very educated.
to create fire, explosions.
Oh no, Happy. Did you get wet?
Le pont a subi des secousses hydrauliques qui ont simulé un gigantesque tremblement de terre. Et pour les amateurs d'émotions fortes, de puissants jets de propane ont été déclenchés.
After the earthquake and fires, we opened 3 gates at the top, sending 265,000 litres of water crashing into the truck. And us. Well, you. I'm in the dry studio.
Les pompes de ces jets d'eau sont si puissantes qu'elles peuvent envoyer un ballon de foot jusqu'au sommet de la tour Eiffel. Imaginez un peu la tête des touristes en haut.
Did you know that the water pumps used in that scene are strong enough to launch someone 100 metres into the air? Any volunteers?
Avec le monde entier.
Even though our tour is over, keep your eyes open. You never know who you might run into.
What did you think of Tram Tour?
I like it.
It's good fun, isn't it?
Yeah. I remember it when I was younger going on it.
Yeah. It's a shame that it's leaving the park though, isn't it? Obviously with the new expansions, part of that area is all like development area, so it
think
seems,
it's leaving.
yeah. It'll be a shame to see it go, but you know, things must change. Just like we're going on Tower of Terror. There's literally no queue for this and we've just had to use a fast pass on it.
On the app, it says it's 35 minutes.
fun ride on Tower of Terror. Amber has like an obsession with basically posing every time for a photograph, which I think has to be done, doesn't it?
I love it.
Yeah.
I do it on Dinosaur as well.
Oh yeah. Especially when you know like at what point it takes the photo, you've kind of got it. Not that we even have the photo pass anymore, so we're not buying any of the photos. But, yeah. But that ends our time for today in Walt Disney Studios. We got the name right for once.
I feel like I've been here for hours.
Oh yeah, it's because of Crush. We were in that for like 90 minutes. But yeah, we're going to head over to Disneyland Park now and enjoy the rest of the day there. I think we're going to go do Fantasyland, I think. That's the main thing. And I want to get Autopia done at some point. So yeah, we'll catch you over at the Disneyland Park.